pet parents. Does your dog do this at the vet? Buddy is here with us in the vet room. He keeps walking and staring at the door. But they just took Riley to get checked. He was fine a second ago, but now he can't relax. Like he's waiting for him to come back. He doesn't understand what's happening. He just knows his brother is gone. He's too nervous. He keeps sitting, starting at the door, listening for any sound, every little noise. He thinks it's Riley. This is what pet anxiety looks like. They really do love each other that much. Does your dog do this